In this video, we are going to see 6th Standard English Term 2, Unit 1, Sports Stars, Section 1. Before going to the lesson, let us see some words and their meanings. Recognized, known. Acknowledged, accepted. Privilege, honor. Consecutive, one after another. Identity, who or what a person is or how a person is known. Inspiration, a person one looks up to. Passion, desire. Let us move to the lesson now. Sports star, section 1. Sports stars. Here both Aisha and Madi enjoy playing games and sports. Let us join them. Catch this ring, Madi. Hoops, I missed it. I hope all like play games and sports, and many of them have participated in many competitions, isn't it, and won the games also. Cricketer means who comes to your mind? Yes, naturally we think about Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli and etc., isn't it? Here we are going to see a new cricketer. In this lesson, we are going to read a diary account of a schoolboy. Each day is a new beginning. It has so much to unfold and I had the best day at school today. So he said that each day was a new beginning. Let us see. Cricket is something that I love. Yes, all the boys love to play cricket. Today my teacher told us that we would be learning about a cricketer. His teacher told that today we are going to know about a cricketer. I thought of Sachin, Virat Kohli and many other male players in the Indian cricket team. But she introduced Mithali Dorairaj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of Indian women's cricket team in Test and One Day Internationals. When his teacher was introduced about a cricketer, he thought about male players. But she introduced a female cricketer, Mithali Dorairaj. She was an Indian cricketer and the captain of the Indian women's cricket team in Test and One Day Internationals. I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my little sister play cricket with me. He thought that, oh, women can play cricket. He never teach cricket to his little sister and he never allow her to play with him. I would tell her, it is not for you, you had better play with girls. So he used to tell that this cricket is not for girls, you have some other games with girls. However, I was taken by surprise when I learned that Mithali started to play game at the age of 10 and that she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. After that only he learned that Mithali Dorairaj started to play games at the age of 10 and selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. He was surprised that Mithali started to play cricket at the age of 10. Yes, it is a very young age, isn't it? And selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. Mithali Dorairaj lives in Hyderabad. I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. I felt very proud that she has been widely recognized and acknowledged. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and only the woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in ODIs. Mithali Dorairaj, she lives in Hyderabad and her mother tongue is Tamil. That means she belongs to Tamil Nadu. And she was accepted and known as a good cricketer by the people. And she is the only female cricketer that she scored 6,000 run marks in ODIs. ODIs means One Day Internationals. Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. Yes, only she scored 7 half centuries continuously in the 7 matches. In fact, she is nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket as she is presently the all-the-time leading run scorer for India in all the formats including Test, One Day Internationals and T20s. I would love to quote what Mithali had to say about this compliment. So, he said that she is the highest run scorer and leading women cricketer to score more runs, and she is also known as Tendulkar of women cricketer. Mithali said that on the one hand, being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. Yes, it was the very big honor to her. I don't think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. He said that what he did for the country, I have not did even half what he had done. On the other, being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. So, being a woman cricketer, I want to show my own identity. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. I don't want to compare me to a male cricketer. I want to show my own identity. She said that. She feels that women should not be dominated. She indeed is an inspiration to all of us. She is the inspiration for all the girls to achieve something. She actually started playing cricket with a brother. First, she started playing cricket with a brother. She used to go with her father to the grounds where he practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came her way. She used to go with her father to the ground, but she was not entered into the ground. She used to stand outside of the ground and take the ball and give back when it came her way. Though it was a humble start, she managed to secure a name and play for herself. Many of us think cricket is for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are on par with men in every field. Yes, she has broken the rules that cricket is not only for men, even women also can achieve something in every field. The government of India, in recognition of her contribution to cricket, conferred on her the Padma Shri award. Yes, India government also honored her with Padma Shri award. Yes, all the girls can achieve like Mithali Durairaj. And I forgot to mention about the recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team. Mithali Raj and another woman player Smriti Mandhana hit stylish off centuries and India cruised to a comfortable 9-wicket victory over South Africa in the second Women's T20 International on 23rd of February 2018. So, Smriti Mandhana and Mithali, both of them scored half century in the T20s and they took 9 wickets and they won the match. Mithali anchored the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. In that match, she scored 76 runs. Now that I am inspired by her and my attitude has changed. Now my attitude has changed that even girls also can play cricket. So I will allow her to play cricket. I certainly will be happy when my little sister follow her passion. So I am very happy that my sister follow her passion in cricket. Do you know? Women's Cricket World Cup is older than men's. The Women's World Cup first held in England in 1973, 2 years before the inaugural of Men's Cricket World Cup. So, the Women's World Cup only started first in England. After that only they started Men's World Cup. Let us know some more information about Mithali Durairaj. She was born on 3rd December 1982 in Tamil family in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Her father is Durai Raj, who was an airman. Mother is Leela Raj. She lives in Hyderabad, Telangana. She started cricket coaching in a school. She became the first player from India to score 2000 runs in T20 internationals. She received several awards including the Wisden Leading Women Cricketer in the World 2017, Arjuna Award in 2003, Padma Shri in 2015 by the Government of India. So children, we have to do something for our country like Mithali Durairaj.